Okay, so here's a scenario that I wanted to describe for Autoglass service repair technicians. Let's say you are residing in this area. As you can see, this is Maryland, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., right? It's Northern Virginia over here. And let's say you're a Autoglass service repair technician or a company that is located anywhere in this area. Now, you have to decide how much is your radius of work. So I know several companies, not only here in the DMV area, but also in other parts like in New York or down south or on the West Coast, right? So, but I'm going to discuss this as an example. Let's say you are here. So, what happens if let's say you are located in, let's say, Cavalton, or you're located at, South Laurel or Laurel, let's say, right? Now, let's say your radius of work where you can pick up work, and if you're doing, remote. Mobile services, right, for repair, then maybe you say that, hey, hold on, if my office is in Laurel, I could go all the way down to Beltsville, right, or University of Maryland College Park area. I could drive down there. It's not very far, it's about 20 minutes drive, right? And from there, another 10-15 minutes, you're into DC. So really depends, right? In half an hour, you're into, uh, uh, Northeast DC, and into it. Same thing from Laurel. If you're driving up north, you could say that, hey, hold on a second, I could pick up jobs in Jessup, I can pick up jobs in Fort Meade, Oddington, right? It really depends. If you've got maybe a couple of work vans, you've got a crew, or you've got other crews that are coming and picking up glass and then taking it out there, right? So anyways, you got the idea that there are several areas. Now, the thing is that what I want to really show you is this is a tried and tested methodology, or it's a tried and tested strategy to gain most amount of leads if you're a service technician in this case. So what happens is, typically, let's say somebody who's got a broken glass or windshield in Burtonsville, right? What do you think they're going to do the moment they realize they've got a broken glass? They're not going to say, I want a glass. They're going to go to google.com, but they're not going to search for glass repair technician in Maryland, because they know they're probably going to go glass repair, windshield repair technician, or windshield repair Burtonsville, or car glass repair, auto glass repair Burtonsville, right? That's what they're going to do. Let's say somebody lives in Colesville or Fairland or Cavalton, right? South Laurel, Beltsville. What are they going to search for? They're going to search for auto glass repair Beltsville, right? So these are all the names of the places, and the strategy is that if you're here somewhere, let's say Laurel, as we in this example, what you want to do is, and this is a tried and tested methodology. I know a lot of successful companies who do this, and their phones are buzzing all day long. So this is what you do: you pick up the areas around you, and then you go ahead and say Auto Glass Repair Services Cavalton, Auto Glass Repair Services Emmondale, Auto Glass Repair Beltsville.com, right? Auto Glass Repair Southlaurel.com. And you register a bunch of websites, right? And then you basically, what you can do is, you can go to free website site, and you can basically go into the templates, and you've got all the automotive templates, as you already know. Several different kinds and designs are already there. Before you do that, what you probably want to do is you want to go home, and let's say in this example, I want to say auto glass repair Burtonsville, right? For example.com. And I check if there's a domain available by that name. It says autoglassrepairburtonsville.com is available. So you just register that domain, and once you've registered it here, right, you pay for it. You got the domain. If you haven't signed up, you can sign up here. If you want to log in, you can log in here, and you're in. And then after that, once you're in, then you can go, obviously, follow the workflow, and then you can go ahead and pick particular template and publish it to that particular Autoglass Repair Burtonsville. And you can change the text here, and you can say Autoglass Repair Burtonsville. You can change whatever you need. You can change your phone number. You can put your Google Map address, which is quite easy to do in this particular platform. Just click on the map and put the address on the left-hand side box that appears, and it'll show you exactly where you are. That's it. And then you've got obviously all this stuff here, right? You got all the data here, and that's what you need to get yourself a solid lead with all the information, right? So that is the strategy that you need to follow. And if it's already taken, you have to get creative. You can say windshield repair, auto glass repair, car glass repair, and the names of the places that you want to cover. What happens with search engine optimization is that Google and other search engines, they look for the keywords in the domain name and the title and the text on the website, on the web page, right? And if it all says, auto glass repair Amendale, and on the website, on the title, all those places it says that, it's going to rank it up. I've done it myself for several clients, where I just put auto glass repair Laurel, or Bellsville, etc., and it just shows number one on the organic search list, right? No need to pay. Number one, because it's unique. Not everybody else is looking for auto glass repair Burtonsville, but it's your business. It makes sense for you to do it. All right, so you can leave me any questions. You can visit freewebsitesite.com. You can search for the domains. You can publish the Autoglass repair templates with already the 222 from 1949 to 2022 data is already in there, with a form, working form, all that good stuff. All right, so let me know if you have any questions, and please like and subscribe the video so that other people can also get to know what's going on. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.